Ever wondered if investing in cryptocurrency is safe, especially for seniors? Well, let's start by understanding what cryptocurrency actually is. Picture it as a digital or virtual currency, much like our traditional money, but existing solely in the digital realm. Now, what sets it apart is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional currencies issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies are not governed by any central authority. This theoretically makes them immune to government interference. Now, you might have heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are types of cryptocurrencies, and they operate on a technology called blockchain. This technology allows for secure online payments, minus the need for third-party intermediaries, such as banks. Now, it's important to remember that cryptocurrencies can be quite volatile, and their values can fluctuate dramatically. However, despite this volatility, the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies has grown significantly over the years. So, is it safe for seniors to invest in cryptocurrency? Well, like any investment, it comes with its own risks. But understanding the nature of cryptocurrency is the first step towards safe investment. Cryptocurrency, like any investment, comes with its set of risks and rewards. One of the key attractions of cryptocurrency as an investment is the potential for high returns. Many have been drawn to the world of digital currencies by tales of overnight millionaires, brought about by the meteoric rise in the value of certain cryptocurrencies. For instance, Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was worth just a few cents when it was launched in 2009. Today, a single Bitcoin is worth thousands of dollars. However, it's essential to remember that investing in cryptocurrency is not a guaranteed path to wealth. The market is notoriously volatile, with the prices of cryptocurrencies often fluctuating wildly in a matter of hours. This volatility can lead to significant losses as well as gains. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency market is largely unregulated, a fact that has unfortunately attracted a fair share of scammers. Fraudulent schemes ranging from fake initial coin offerings or ICOs to pyramid schemes have caught out many unwary investors. Yet despite these risks, cryptocurrencies are slowly gaining recognition and regulation globally. Governments and financial institutions around the world are beginning to acknowledge the potential of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Some countries, like El Salvador, have even adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. However, this recognition also comes with increased scrutiny. For instance, in the United States, the Internal Revenue Service, or the IRS, considers cryptocurrencies to be property for tax purposes. This means that, much like any other investment, gains from cryptocurrency investments are subject to taxes. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency can be highly rewarding, but it also comes with significant risks. The market's volatility, the potential for scams, and the emerging regulatory landscape all need to be considered. Being aware of the risks and rewards can help you make an informed decision about investing in cryptocurrency. Ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Here's how you start. First and foremost, you need to understand what you're getting into. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies secured by cryptography. They're not issued by any central authority, which means they're theoretically immune to government interference. Different cryptocurrencies serve various purposes, so it's crucial to research and understand the specifics of each one. Websites like Investopedia, CoinDesk, or even YouTube channels dedicated to cryptocurrency can be great resources for this. Next, you'll need a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrency. Think of this as your personal bank account, but for digital currency. There are different types of wallets, such as desktop, mobile, or hardware wallets. Each has its own set of pros and cons, so ensure you choose the one that best fits your needs and security concerns. Now, you're ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. But where do you buy it? This is where cryptocurrency exchanges come into play. These are platforms where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. However, just like with wallets, it's important to research and choose the exchange that best suits your needs. Once you've set up your account on the exchange, you can start buying and selling. You can choose to buy Bitcoin, the most well-known cryptocurrency, or you can delve into other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Litecoin. Remember, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. You can buy fractions of a coin, which makes it more accessible to everyone. Finally, it's worth noting that the world of cryptocurrency can be volatile. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. Therefore, it's recommended to start with small investments. This can help you understand the market better without risking too much. Remember, starting with small investments can help you understand the market better. There are plenty of resources available to help seniors navigate the world of cryptocurrency. The digital landscape might seem intimidating at first, but with the right tools and guidance, you can confidently dive into the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's start with CoinMarketCap, a comprehensive platform that provides real-time data on cryptocurrencies. It's an excellent place to track the market performance of various digital currencies. It's like the Wall Street Journal, but for crypto. Next up, we have Crypto Bubbles. It's a unique and visual way to monitor the cryptocurrency market. By representing each cryptocurrency as a bubble, it allows you to understand market trends and cryptocurrency volatility at a glance. It's an engaging tool that puts fun into the serious business of cryptocurrency. For those who prefer their news delivered in a more traditional format, CNBC Crypto World is a reliable source. It provides the latest news and insights into the world, from market trends to regulatory updates. CoinDesk is another noteworthy platform that offers a wealth of information on cryptocurrencies. It provides news, research, and educational content for both beginner and experienced investors. It's like a comprehensive guidebook for your cryptocurrency journey. Investopedia, a well-known online encyclopedia of financial information, also has an extensive section dedicated to cryptocurrency. It's a fantastic place to learn about the basics of cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and more. In addition to these platforms, YouTube channels and Facebook groups dedicated to specific tokens be a goldmine of information. These communities offer a chance to interact with other investors, share insights, and get advice from experienced crypto enthusiasts. But remember, always cross-check the information you receive from these platforms for accuracy. Utilizing these resources can help you stay informed. However, please remember, this information is not financial advice. This is for information only. Always conduct your own research and consult a professional if needed. With the right tools and a keen sense of curiosity, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy cryptocurrency enthusiast. Investing in crypto can seem daunting, but with the right tips, you can do it safely. The world of cryptocurrencies is not a realm of guaranteed riches. It's an exciting frontier, full of potential but also fraught with risk. Just like any investment, it's essential to approach it with caution and prudence. Firstly, diversity is your best friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, one cryptocurrency. The market is volatile, and while one coin might be skyrocketing today, it could plummet tomorrow. A diversified portfolio can help mitigate these risks. Spread your investments across different coins and consider other asset classes too. Staying updated with market trends is also crucial. Cryptocurrencies are highly responsive to market sentiment and global events. Following reputable news sources, subscribing to crypto newsletters, or joining online communities can help you stay on top of these trends. But remember, don't make investment decisions based on hyperfear. Do your own research and make informed choices. And of course, always be on guard for scams. The anonymity of cryptocurrencies makes them a popular tool for fraudsters. Be wary of offers that sound too good to be true, because they probably are. Only use trusted platforms and never share your private keys with anyone. One of the most important tips is to only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are not like regular savings accounts. There's potential for great reward, but also for significant loss. It's not a place for funds that you rely on for daily life or retirement. Lastly, remember that it's okay to ask for help. There are many resources available, from online guides to professional financial advisors who can assist you in navigating the crypto landscape. With these tips, you can navigate the crypto market with more confidence and safety. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a rewarding venture, especially when done correctly. We've explored the fascinating world of digital currencies, understood their decentralized nature, and acknowledged their potential to revolutionize financial infrastructure. We've also acknowledged the risks and rewards involved, highlighting the importance of thorough research before diving into this dynamic market. We've shared some practical steps on how to start investing in cryptocurrencies, emphasizing the need for a secure digital wallet and the importance of small, measured investments. We've also pointed out some reliable resources like specific YouTube channels, Facebook groups, and websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinDesk. These will help you stay updated with the latest trends and news in the crypto world. Lastly, we've shared some essential safety tips for investing in crypto. From understanding the nature of the token you're investing in, to being cautious of scams, to remembering golden rule. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, informed investing is safe investing. Happy crypto journey? Remember, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate your support.